What's up everyone, it's your girl Christina. So today I'm making Swedish meatball sub. And I said what I said. I love Swedish meatball. It's delicious. The mashed potatoes, that little cranberry sauce. It's not really cranberry, it's a different name. I'll put it right here. And it has cucumber slices too. All love to all my Swedish people. If I have any watching, what's up? And yeah, so let's start. So we need to start with cutting an onion, okay? So we need to dice it very finely because we're making a meatball from scratch. Little cooktop thingy. If you need it, link down below, obviously. Let's turn it on. It's a little loud, as you can see. It's a little bit there. So now onions are ready to go in. Let's go. Woo! Perfect. Add a little bit of salt in there, okay? And we're gonna saute this until it's a little bit golden brown, just a little bit, okay? And please keep an eye on it. So see, that's what we want. Now don't clean the pan, okay? We're gonna cook our meatballs in here with the same onion flavor, okay? So don't clean it. Thank you. Time to make the meatball. So this is what I'm using today. I got this one from Aldi's, ground pork, allspice, okay? I'm gonna add a little bit of that in there. Black pepper, salt, okay? And then I'm gonna add the onions that we just cooked into the bowl. I'm gonna use panko. Let's do a little bit more. That's perfect. Okay, so one. No, we got shells on there. No, ma'am. Now the other thing is milk. Yes, we need to add milk in there. Just mix that. You put this in here. Clean hands. Don't be scared. It smells. Let me let you know. It smells amazing. Let this marinate for at least an hour. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the fridge. I'll be back. Okay, so time to cook the meatballs. Okay. Make a look at that. That's good. I think that's good. So now let it cook. Obviously, well done. Make sure it's well done. Take it out. Okay, it's ready. Looking beautiful. And now we're gonna make the sauce. Okay, the gravy. Now they do have instant gravy, so if you want to use that, go ahead. There's nothing wrong with that. But I'm gonna make it from scratch. Okay. So we need about a tablespoon of oil. So I'm gonna do that in there. I'm gonna do two actually. I'm gonna tablespoon of flour. Okay. We're making a roux. Okay. Once it starts to get a little bit brown, add beef stock, okay? And mix it all together. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. That's what I saw from the Swedish guy, okay? Don't come after me. So a little bit of that. We're gonna add black pepper, okay? Allspice, you can use nutmeg, but I don't have nutmeg, so a little bit of allspice. And then I saw people adding a little bit of sugar, so I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar. Now once again, mix it. You see how it's already thickening up? That's what we want. Let's add the meatballs in there, okay? Okay, so now the bread. And I'm just gonna cut it to right here. I'm gonna toast it, okay? Obviously, when you make Swedish meatball, you need to eat it with what? Mashed potatoes. I'm gonna get hate for this, but I'm gonna be using instant. I know. So I'm just gonna add that in there. And while you add it, mix it, boom. So for the bottom, we're gonna start with potatoes. Okay, I know it looks weird. Oh my god, potato with bread. Yes, potato with bread. Yes, we're gonna add the meatballs, the sauce. Yes, we have our cucumbers over here. Let's take jelly. This is berry preserve. I don't have cranberries, and I don't have that one. That's the original one. Okay, if you hear my dog in the background, I'm sorry. Okay, the moment of truth. Buen provecho. Ooh, the cucumber is awesome. Ooh, I like that. That's interesting. With that jelly, ooh, I'll give it a 7. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.